crafty friends, it's Jenny from the One Little Tag Craft Challenge, and I am here on Monday night to check in. So it just seems that Monday night is going to be the best time instead of Monday in the morning. So just to let you know, that's kind of how I think it's going to end up playing out. So I wanted to do three things in this video today. One is do a little check-in so I can keep myself accountable and show you what I created this week. So our theme for week 2, but I did try and stick with the theme a little bit in some of these tags. I'm just going to kind of flip through them quickly. You can't really read that, but it says, believe you can, and you're halfway there. Sometimes blackout doesn't work as well as you hope. And then I started working on my tags for the AFCI convention, which is happening at the end of this week, and I am teaching a class on fireworks sprays, and so I was working on some new samples to share. And you notice that there's still a little bit of black in some of these, a little time theme. This one I haven't quite finished yet, but I really like the way it's developing. And yeah, even a couple of more. So as it turned out, I actually had 7 finished tags for the week, trying to make a little something every day or a couple things on one day if I know I need to take a day off. So I feel like I have stepped up to the challenge and I have actually participated myself, which is great. The next thing I want to do is tell you what the challenge is going to be for next week. It's going to be a very busy week for me because I am flying to Phoenix and I won't be home until next Monday night. But our theme for next week is going to be love. So that means you can either use hearts or things you love or people you love or what love means to you or a broader theme. But once again, the whole idea behind the OLT challenge, and I'm going to kind of start calling it that because it's not just tags. If you wanted to do cards, ATCs, you want to make jewelry, you want to knit something, however you interpret the theme is up to you. The goal is to work on something a little bit every day. So maybe that means you're working on a piece of jewelry and you can't participate every day because it takes more than one day. That's fine. The only rules for participating in a challenge in order to win something is that you have to post the photos of the things that you make on this feed on Facebook. That way I can actually know where everybody's stuff is and I can just look through this list in order to pick a winner. So I encourage you, if you make something every day, then post your photo every day. If you only make one thing a week, then post your photo, but make sure it's in this feed. That also reminds people to keep looking here on this video to, see what's going on, and it just keeps everything really tidy instead of having a photo here and a photo there and then everybody has to kind of flip through it. So that is a little bit of housekeeping. So week 3 challenge is love as we start to matriculate into the Valentine's season. One other little piece of housekeeping, our winner for week 2 is Kim. She did a Time's Up challenge and it's a really cool one. If you look in the header this week, her piece of artwork is going to be in the header, and it was really cool because it had like a clock on it and it actually said Time's Up with a black background, so she hit all the themes. And my daughter picked that one at random, so thanks Bailey for helping out. So if you are a winner, make sure you message me so that I can get your address. And Kim, make sure you do this because I'd like to send you a little packet of goodies. So let's see, that's almost everything. Oh yeah, one more thing. Make sure if you are not a person who is on Periscope but would like to be, this is a great week to join or follow me at Craft Test Dummy on Periscope. I will be live broadcasting from the show. I will be posting videos. I'm going to be live at the Plaid booth on Saturday afternoon. I'm going to do as much as I can. I'm flying solo this year, which will be like the first time I've flown solo in 8 years. So we'll see how much I can actually get done. But my goal at the show is to give you a sneak preview of all of the cool products and techniques that the creative industry has to offer. So follow me here on Facebook. I'll be on Twitter. I'll be on Instagram. I'll be on Periscope. So keep your eyes peeled for the new and exciting goodies. Okay, so I'm going to go now. I will hear from Kim soon, and you guys